Hello and welcome to Simply Sport with me Neeraj Prabhu. The top flight Indian Football League known as the I-League is gaining momentum. The 2013-14 season is crucial on various counts for Indian club football in particular, and overall the well-being of the beautiful game in the country depends on this season. Without getting into the technical details of the challenges staring football in the country, one can safely say that if the clubs give their best in the I-League matches and produce excitement, like we saw when Sargaonkar Football Club took on Dempo Sports Club, people will be compelled to follow football. Yes, in today's program we bring to you the highlights of the I-League match played between two of the most followed clubs in the country. Dempo and Sargaonkar are two of the biggest business giants in the state, having respective football teams from a long time. For starters, here is the brief history of both the clubs. Founded in 1956, Sargaonkar Football Club was one of the most popular clubs in the country in the 90s and the first Goan club to win the National Football League in the 1998-99 season. But the Green Brigade's grip on the national football scenario weakened in the new millennium and their popularity declined. However, the Vasco-based club surprised the football fraternity by bouncing back in style when they won the I-League in 2010-11 season. Wholesale changes in coaching personnel and players have been a common thing for Vasco, in fact for Sargaonkar of late. This year as well, Sargaonkar have a new but reputed coach in Derek Pereira, who has started the season with bang with two consecutive victories in the I-League prior to the clash with arch rivals Dempo Sports Club. Who knows, this year could well be Sargaonkar's time to scale the pinnacle again. On the other hand, Dempo have become the most successful football club in the country, having won the National Football League titles for a record 5 times. Formed in 1967, Dempo have an illustrious history and a strong character as well, as the Panji-based club fought back from the ignominy of relegation to be a formidable force in the National League. Much of the credit goes to their former coach Armand Culasso, whose era came to an end after the last I-League campaign. In came a young Australian coach Arthur Papas and his new recruits to start a transition phase for the Golden Eagles. The start of the season has not exactly gone to the script of Papas, who before the season started had claimed that his side can win the title if they fought together. The head coach back in his home country for visa formalities meant long-serving coach Mauricio Afonso took charge of Dempo for the key clash against Sargaonkar. Dempo went into this game with a dismal start to the campaign that read 1 loss and 2 draws, facing a lot of pressure. And this is what came out of the match. Enjoy the highlights.
Well, Atu, Dempo are playing a 4-5-1 formation. It's a new formation Papas has introduced with the team. They strengthened their midfield with 5 players, while Sargaonkar play a 4-2-3-1 formation. And here the game kicks off.
So Sargaonkar in their green, Dempo in blue, moving along the right flank.
The players, you have to tell me your names. Just identify the players.
Sargaonkar, of course, will be looking to Daryl Duffy and Cloud Napka. Cloud Napka with the ball, moving to the right towards Nicolau Kolako. There on your screen, Nicolau. Just couldn't do enough with that. Now, of course, Billy Mehmet, that powerhouse midfield at the moment for Dempo. Joel, Samir, Beto,
Joel.
Well,
Locus,
that was
Locus.
easy picking. So
Lucas, Gilbert, Captain Francis,
Francis,
Nicolau, Lucas,
Napka,
Francis, Lucas again, Gilbert,
looking for Gilbert, JJ,
Joel,
Joel,
Beto,
Beto, Samir back to Beto. Looking for his options. A lovely ball from Beto to Clifford.
Agustin.
Derek Pereira, Salgaonkar coach. He's done a wonderful job with his team, leading them to 6 points, in contention now to head the table after this match. Gilbert. Agustin. Long ball. Was looking for Francis Fernandez, their captain. Ball with Francis to Napka. Oh, what a powerful shot by Napka! That's the power that we were talking about. A powerhouse, taking that upright and rattling it. Absolute stunner. There he is, Cloud Napka once again. Duffy in the action. Green, what a powerhouse! Look at that. Subhashish absolutely beaten. All ends up rattling the upright. So Salgaonkar definitely having more of an edge in this encounter so far. Khalil Mehmet. Karanjeet once again has been absolutely outstanding in this Airtel League. With that nice ball on the right flank. A royal opportunity. The ball was superb. Shikwali looking for Cloud Napka. Nice turn by Cloud Napka. Lovely play. Oh, look at that! What a beautiful ball to Duffy from Cloud Napka. And Duffy definitely could have done more with that. Very, very apologetic. Rightly so. Here it comes. What a wonderful ball. Napka. Francis. Still Francis. Francis looking for Nicolau. It's with him now. Nicolau placing back to Francis. Rokas. Christine. Rahul. Very ambitious shot by Rahul. Billy Mehmet in the middle. Lovely kick. Had the goalkeeper beaten. One of the rare chances when Karanjeet's beaten. But really nothing came of it. And a nice counter-attack in the process, but ending very tamely. Cloud Napka moving to midfield now. Dial Duffy. Gilbert. Cloud Napka. Francis. Lovely ball by Francis into the middle. Duffy! And he's done it! He's missed out earlier twice, but not now. So the player of the match, Daryl Duffy. Kolako it was who set that goal up brilliantly for Duffy. And that's a nothing ball. Derek Pereira, what a wonderful season in this Airtel I League for that man. Doing wonders with his boys from Salgaonkar. Beto. Devrata. Back to Beto. Beto looking for Hemat. Jewel. Jewel to Samir. Peter. Samir back to Peter. Jewel. JJ moving into the box and that powerful kick. Just missing that right upright. Nice powerful kick by JJ. Karanjeet Singh in the Salgaonkar goal. Gilbert. Librata not getting that volley. Nice clearance. Finally, by Clifton. Savio, as far as the second half is concerned, what are your comments?
Well, there's not been much action in the second half, despite Tempo being 1 goal down. One would have expected them to come out after the breather, firing on all cylinders, but that's not happening. So I think they should bring in some fresh legs.
Well, that was a clear push. How can you expect to get away with that, Simon? Looking for Honda. Nice ball by Cloud Namka. Once again, so 2 opportunities. The deflection, of course, will earn them a corner. So Dempo now moving along the right flank. They've definitely got Salgaonkar thinking. They've got Derek Pereira very, very anxious on the bench. Salgaonkar yet to concede a goal in this Airtel I-League, but coming within a whisker of it a few moments ago.